Now, here's how you can use Notion Web Clipper on your iPhone. So this Web Clipper feature is from Notion. When you just come across some sort of website or an article or something and you want to save it to your Notion. So how does that work on a mobile version like on the iPhone? When you check it out on their official website, like you can see how it kind of works on a computer, but when you scroll down, you can check out that there is an iOS and Android version, but essentially the mobile app comes with built-in web clipper. So there isn't a specific dedicated app that you need to download, and essentially it works like this. You come across any website that you like, and you're just going to click on share. I mean, we can already use this Notion as an example. So I'm going to click on share on any website in Safari. And from all of these buttons and options in here, I'm going to pick Notion. If you cannot find it, make sure to click on more at the end and then choose Notion from this like larger list. But most likely it's going to already pop up in here. So when you click on Notion, it is automatically going to be saved as a website into your database. So you can choose which page it's going to go to, but you can click on save and it is automatically integrated into your Notion document right here. So once it loads up, it might take some time or whatever, but it is pretty simple to do and you can easily just save it in there using just the share feature. So you don't need to download any kind of like Notion Web Clipper application or anything like that. So you can see it is right here, part of my Notion application. So that's it. That's everything I wanted to let you know about and explain. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe to this channel so you never miss videos like these in the future. And I'm going to catch you in the next one.